Okay, so what I want to do, I'm going to have you get down on the ground. You can use the step to do it. You don't have to use the step, whatever you need. But we're going to go all the way down. I'm not going to cue or tell you anything. You just do what comes out naturally.
So, do I need to?
You don't have to. If you can do it without, do it without.
Can I get a hold of anything
No,
else?
nothing else.
Nothing else.
It's like a challenge. It's like the Survivor game. You only have this. You don't have to use that. But somehow, without getting hurt, I want you to get seated on the ground, and then we'll get back up.
You know, I feel better with.
I know. You have us here, though. That's it. Beautiful.
I'm down on the ground. I can crawl up.
Excellent. So just kind of hang out there a second. And then whenever you're ready, we're going to go back to standing. That's the hardest transition right there. Once you get past that transition, now the rest, I can't say it's easy, but it's easier. Beautiful, beautiful. Now I have a question. Can you sit on that? Any way you want to do it, I just want to see if in this space you can sit on that.
I don't think I can.
Let's see what you can do.
I really
You
don't.
can even like reach back with one hand or... Almost there. Now you could absolutely not do that 2 weeks ago.
That's true.
I mean, there was no chance you were going to do that. Now, if you could just stand up, I would tell you to just stand up. I'm not sure that you're able to do it because of the hip flexion, but what I would do, so you're sitting on there, right? I would go one knee down, and then I would get up. That's how I would get up from that position. But I'm going to let you kind of experiment and see.
Can I just try to?
Whatever you want to try to do.
Oh, wow. You know, it hurts
Yep.
my knees.
But that's the tightness in the knees. It's a safe tightness that will improve getting into these positions. Anyway, just relax.
Oh, wow.
Let's go across the body and just kind of stretch. Yep. Okay. Then the other hand is going to cup it. You just pull across. Perfect. There you go. There you go. Keep that low. Yes.
I feel very uneven. Whew.
So walk.
I
Come
can't
on
believe
out
how
there.
hard that is.
Now, of course, I didn't see it, so we have to do it again. No, I'm just joking. I'm joking.
Hey, did you see
I
me?
watched.
I don't know. All right.
Nice.